All right, guys, we finally wrapped up this first Eco Diesel of 2026. That's the back and back second ram. And after that, we're going to start off with this one, a crazy build on this one. This is going to be a little bit of more custom on this one. 2016, 2018. So this customer, they came in March and they got appointment, and then they come back, and right now they're ready to pick it up the stuff. Take a review from my customer how they feel. All right, sir, how was your review?
Bago kami pumunta dito, kasi ang sira ng sasakyan ko, nag-umpisa lang siya sa oil leak. So binalik namin ito sa dealer. So ang sabi ng dealer, there is no chance. So naghanap pa kami ng ibang mga shop. Siguro mga napuntahan namin 4 na shop. Malaki na yung nagastos namin dito. So ang ginawa namin, in-standby muna namin to kasi nawala na kami pag-asa na maayos pa ito. So swerte lang na dahil nakilala namin tong MRIK, ang sabi niya daw, i-back niya daw sa new life ang RAM namin. So ngayon excited na kami na ma-drive uli. Kasi ito talaga isa sa mga pinakaboborito kong sasakyan yung truck. So kung mayroon kayong mga issue na same din na oil leak, huwag kayong magatubili na pumunta rito. Ito yung shop nila. Ayan, kita nyo, di ba? Ayan. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
You want to say something?
Guys, punta lang kayo dito pag yung sasakyan nyo hindi na gumagana. Punta kayo dito, back to new life ang sasakyan nyo. Salamat.
Thank you so much. So this is a message to my Philippine community in London. If you guys have any of the similar problems you're facing on your Ram or any other make and model, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We'll make sure your car gonna be alive on the road like this. And you see the smile. I don't much understand what they said, but the smile says everything. The engine and the truck is back normal. Any similar inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, folks, so I have a little brief on this beautiful Cayman. That's 2009. That's how MRIK Auto works on the engine. So here's the engine in the back. That's a 3.4 engine, 3.4 liter. This originally came from a customer. They just bought it like a month ago. They did the safety from the dealership. And when it comes to our shop, the customer have noticed some strange fluid in the front driver side. And when they check it out, it was complete line broken from front to the back. And another thing, the engine is almost filled up with engine oil from top to bottom. Also, there is a water pump leak on this one with thermostat. In order to do any of the services, especially on the Caymans, the cars had an engine in the back, we need to wash it up. So we're going to make a wash on this beautiful engine, and then we're going to take apart the things to check where exactly the leak comes from. For now, this car needs a new steering line, new water pump, new thermostat. That's for now. For the oil basis, we wash it and we're going to run it to check. If you got the similar engines and your engine is filled up with the oil and you got a big coat from other place, don't get panic. Walk to MRIK Auto. We're happy to help you out like this. Our work is clean. We work with the ethics. We are the 3rd generation mechanic. Welcome to MRIK Auto. On to the next car. So right here you can see two of the O2 sensors. Belongs to his 2014 Buick Encore 1.4 liter, I think. So this was previously when the customer came in, this was the bad one. So we replaced it with a brand new one. That's the OEM one with the Denso. So we changed the Denso one. I don't know what's happening after that. Customer, they put some chemical to clean the catalytic converter in this one. In result, what happened? This stopped reading. So they came back to the shop and they're saying your sensor is again faulty because they have an OBD2 scan. But when we check it out, this was all loaded up with a black shit in it. I don't know what kind of chemical they use it. So it's not a good idea to use those aftermarket chemicals to clean your CAD because it destroys your O2 sensors. So I don't know what's wrong with the downstream one, but the upstream was filled up with a black shit. We're replacing it because it's under warranty. You remember, whenever you work with MRIK Auto, you got any parts, they cover 1 year of warranty. Similar services, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. But this time, we are going to change it. We're not going to get a doubtful thing. We're going to change it because this car was knocking insanely just because of this was all over black charcoal stuff on top. So the sensor is almost on the way. This is the old one. This is the new one. And look in the front, what happened to it. It was all black stuffed out. We wash it and still it's not getting what is used to get it. So we're going to change it. Also, we work on the wall cover on this one because this common engine is failure on the top of the wall, PVC wall. It takes too lean from the top because of the sides on the wall cover was leaking. A lot of air is going in between on top of the engine, which pops a engine light, and it also affects your mileage when you're driving it. So if you got a similar problems in your car, please do not put anything in your car. And also, notoriously, this car only takes OEM stuff. If you try to use the aftermarket pipes, wall cover, or anything, oil filter housing, they start dripping after you replace it. Anything with a similar engine, give us a call. On to the next car. So you can get rid of a lot of problems just to change this front two control arms. So we got this beautiful 2020 GLC 300. This came in with front bushings. They are already taken apart from both sides. They need to get changed. What exactly do to your car if you're not changing this one? First, they're going to start making a play in between your rearward arms and the middle arms. So there's the three arms in every Mercedes. That's the frontwards ones. And there's a one more arm in the middle and the rearward ones. So if you change this one on time, they usually got weighed out at 160, 150, depending on how you drive it. You're not going to have to replace the other back of the two ones for the front suspension. So if you want to change this ones, we have inventory for the brand new Limforas one, which is the OEM for Mercedes, BMWs. Give us a call. This is a common arm for BMW, Mercedes, Audis, Dodge, similar cars. Any of the arm work, any suspension work, give us a call. We'll have to help you out. On to the next car. It's super hard to find a Range Rover with no codes on it. As you guys know, a Range Rover comes with a code. So this come here, it's a 2014 3-liter supercharged, come with a bunch of codes. First one is the brake fluid. The rear calipers are leaking right now, not bad, but it's drivable, so they just make it here. Another thing, they have a low coolant. As you guys know, Range Rover is the famous with the failure on the coolant pipes. They're plastic ones. So we're going to check it out. Third one, this thing in the limp mode, it's not going more than 60 kilometers an hour. So we're going to make a diag on this one and let you guys know what's happening with it. If you guys do have any of the Jaguars, Range Rovers, have the similar problems, mostly like 15, 16, 17 models do have the same coolant issues, brake switch issue, or the brake fluid issue. Any similar issues, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. You have to book an appointment to get it served. But yes, you're going to get a OEM parts, authentic services from MRIK Auto. Any similar car, give us a call.